What's up guys, welcome back with me Nike Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Lebron 20 and Nike Lebron colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the marking area, you can see there is no gap between the eyelets and the tip of the Nike shoes, and also there is less speckles on the fake one than the authentic. And also this one is too close. There is no gap between the stitching and the Nike shoes. Take a closer look. As you can see, the stitching here, the stitching on top of the Nike shoes here is a little bit crooked, it's a little bit stiff. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here, the stitching on the Nike shoes is totally wrong. It's a little bit go down, it's messed up. And also the line of the material here on the upper and the bottom here it's on the wrong direction. It's not on the same direction, just like the authentic here. And this one also, the line isn't same on the upper and the bottom here. And looking in another sample, you can see the stitching. Another sample, you can see the stitching here. It's a little bit go down. This will be on top of the horizontal stitching, so the XX is slightly go down. Looking from above here, as you can see, the Lebron signature here is slightly come up. It's a little bit smaller than the authentic. And another sample, this one also slightly, the embroidery here is slightly go down, should be slightly come up. And also the insole here, you can see the white line here is placed right in the middle of the Lebron the 20 circle, whereas on the fake one is slightly go down. And moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see, this one, the line here, the line of the material isn't straight vertical. This one is slightly sloopy, this one is a little bit sloopy, and this one also, the fake one, slightly little bit sloopy. This one also. Take a closer look. The Lebron logo is slightly go down, it touched the stitching here, and also the material line isn't vertical, it's a little bit sloopy. And this one also, this one isn't straight vertical. And this one also, it's pretty easy to spot the fake Lebron 20s. And this one also, the stitching here is slightly go down. You can see the stitching on the Nike shoes slightly go down. And look at on the outsole here, the signature isn't centered. This one on the fake one is slightly come up. And this one also, this one is a little bit smaller and slightly come up also. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it. And if you have a question, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.